A new study shows that fat shaming doesn't seem to do any good. It finds that the more young girls are called fat by close friends and family, the more likely they are to become obese. The LA Times reports that this new study out of UCLA shows that 10-year-old girls who were called fat were more likely to be obese by age 19, even if they were not overweight to begin with. The study followed more than 2,300 girls from the time they were 10 to age 19. It found that girls who had been called too fat by a family member were 1.62 times more likely to be obese by 19. Those called too fat by a close non-family member, like a friend or teacher, were 1.4 times more likely. Science World Report quotes the study's lead author. Simply being labeled as too fat has a measurable effect. Almost a decade later, we nearly fell off our chairs when we discovered this. The study's authors also point to research that suggests that being labeled fat leads to stress, and then overeating because of the stress. It's a vicious cycle. They emphasize that eating in moderation and exercise, not dieting, will lead to healthy weights. They say that genes play a major role in a person's weight, and that can't be discounted. The study looked at African American and Caucasian girls. More information is published in the journal JAMA Pediatrics. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Zima.